if we want to charge it, we make sure the master is on, so not locked out. Master's on. We're going to plug it in, then we're going to press the button and it will lock itself. So we will have the key in the off position. Master is on. We're going to plug it in. That tang just holds it so it doesn't fall out until the actual clip goes on. We're going to press that button and then this will be locked on. Get up here. It's now locked on. It will now tell us how long to charge. Says battery full because we just unplugged it, but it would tell us percentage to charge and it would tell us how long. So again, procedure to unplug it, turn the key on, press the button, and then we'll unplug it. Come up here and it's full. We're going to turn the key on, press that button, and unplug it. Put our cap plug on, and we're ready to go to work.